Right, bit of a story about this. This is the Trade Federation Troop Carrier 40686, which was a gift with purchase for the 25th anniversary of Star Wars and Phantom Menace anniversary. So in Turkey we can't get a gift with purchase, which is horrible. Because you spend an awful lot of money and you don't get a gift with purchase, which sucks. But I found a really nice guy, Sulphur Brick Factory in the UK from Manchester, and he had two. Just so happened I was searching like really early on. He had two sets. He also had the coins. So I ordered them from him. I got two of these. One I'm going to open now and build, and the other one I'll keep in the box. I doubt this set will stay exclusive. I'm sure it will come out on its own for I think it's like $30 worth or something. But I didn't want to wait to see if that would happen, so I ordered them. Well, the cost was good, but obviously shipping and customs always get you here in Turkey. But I have, and I'm going to build. This is apparently a remake of an older version. It comes with 8 figures, droid army, 2 pilot droids and 6 battle droids. Each of them with blasters, so that's cool. The carrier itself, if you look on the back of the package, you can see you can actually slide the carrier out itself, fold them up, ready for them to pounce, which is cool. I'll just give you the details. It's 261 pieces, so not that big. 3 inches or 8 centimeters high, 8 inches 20 centimeters long, and 3 inches 8 centimeters wide. So I'm just going to build it, display it, and enjoy the build, I think. So yeah, episode 1, 25th anniversary, like I say, Phantom Menace, as well as the 25 years of Lego Star Wars. So this is like a double celebration gift for purchase. So I'm excited to do this. I know it's sad to say, but I am very excited to be able to get this set and build it. So thanks very much to Sulphur Brick Factory in Manchester, who also supplied me earlier than this with the 2 Harry Potter sets that I needed to complete my gold minifigs. So see the previous video I did, I've done the stand from the icon set with all the minifigs on it, so you can see the complete set of 9. Okay, so without further ado, let's open up the box and see what we've got inside. Okay, I thought I might need a knife, but this has got nice tapes on it, which is cool. 1, 2, so much easier. Please go back to using sellotape yarn. I hate those tabs. Now, there we go. There we have it. Empty box, done. There'll be no stickers in this set, as far as I'm aware. We've got 3 bags. So, number 1, 2, and 3. Also got a separate grey plate. And we have a build manual. I've got the PDF up on the screen. Is there anything inside? Basically about the 25th anniversary stuff. So nothing really special there. And then straight into the build. So we'll put this in the box. Keep that. Sad, I know, but I do. I keep them. Put these down here. And let's open up bag 1. Very cool. I would like to get the other gift with purchases, but I'm never going to get them. I bought the what's the set called? The Dungeons and Dragons. Didn't get the gift for purchase with that. If anybody's got the gift for purchase out there, let me know. I want to buy one. It's the cube, the die, sorry. I think it's the die or the chest or something. It'd be nice to get that. Also, I've ordered whatever, the new Lord of the Rings set in the States. I am hoping to pick that up. And that did I order it in the States? I think so. Maybe I'll get the gift for purchase with that, but I doubt it. So anyway, let's get on with the builds. I'll do the normal speed build. This should be a quick video, and I'll see you shortly. Right then, finito. Very cool little build. A little bit fiddly to get the guys in here, but I like the way that they fold up. They have their guns right here, which they can obviously use if you take them out. We have two pilots, one pilot here, one here. This one's supposed to be driving something, but there's no steering wheel or whatever, flight controls. It's solid. You have, of course, these pieces on the bottom to make it slide along if you want to. And then, of course, this slides out like this. And then you can take your guys out, give them their guns, whatever you want to do. Very, very cool. I really liked it. Really enjoyed the little build. Didn't take long. and managed to put the bodies on wrong to start with on these 6 here. It's a little bit repetitive and I repeated it wrong. But the shape is really cool. I really like this. This is very, very nice. And of course you get the 25 years of Lego Star Wars brick, which you could, if you wanted to, put somewhere on here to display it, whatever you want, or on here maybe, whatever. But yeah, perfect. I loved it. I'm so happy that I managed to get this. Thanks again to Salford Brick Factory in the UK, link in the description. So if you're in the UK or worldwide, anywhere, he's very, very good service. And without him, I would never have had this set. So thank you very much. I hope to do more business with you in future. But that's it, set completed. I'll do some photos and put the photos probably before this part. And see you on the next build. Not sure what I'm going to build yet. I'm going to build the 3 Marvel sets I bought. And that's going to be on Mills plates. I'm doing Mills plates because it'll be easier and a little bit stronger to carry them around and move them around. But yeah, we got the Sanctum Sanctorium, we got the Daily Bugle, and we got the Avengers Tower, and they're all on the same plate. So I wanted to build Mills plates for the first time ever and build them on the Mills plate. That's the idea anyway. But yeah, maybe next time another Star Wars build, recent one, don't know. Bad time I did the Interceptor, I think. Actually, I have the Interceptor sitting here doing nothing right now. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the little video. This should be going up on Friday, today being Friday, if I edit it and sort it all out in time. And I'm going to be streaming tonight, not on Opsman, but on my work account. I'll put the link again in the description, for Alliance Studios. And myself and Mullet Boy 3000 will be continuing our Lego Fortnite Island or world that we started from fresh. So come join in, come say hi. That will be, let me think, what time is that? That is midnight for me, which means it's 5 p.m. EST. So 5 p.m. EST today, Alliance Studios, which is FN_Alliance Studios, or on YouTube and on Twitch. So we'll be streaming to both. I hope to see you there. If not, drop a like. Please drop a like. Please do some comments. Try to get me up to 2,000 subscribers. Tell your friends. Go click it, share it, do whatever you can do to help me out. See you next time. Thanks very much. Going to turn this off now. Bye bye.